All of our backhoes have four-wheel drive. When you push the button down forward, it engages the front axle and the front wheels will rotate with the rear wheels. You would need four-wheel drive to go up slopes, or when you go into a dirt pile, you have extra traction to get more breakout power. If you're traveling down the road, you shouldn't be in four-wheel drive going faster 12 miles an hour. Say you're traveling down the road, this particular machine goes at 25 miles an hour at top speed. You would want to be in the middle range, which is two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive brake. It gives you extra braking power with all four wheels. If you push the bottom down the bottom, say you're trenching and going less than 12 miles an hour, you want to keep it down here. You never want to keep it in four-wheel drive all the time, because the front tires will wear out 50% faster than being in two-wheel drive. On the right side of the steering wheel is the automatic transmission button. Right now it's in manual mode. If you want to use the manual mode, you'd have it in neutral, put it in forward. It's currently in first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear. It'll take you approximately 15 miles an hour driving around the construction site. Now, if you want to have it in auto mode, if you're going to be roading the machine going faster than 15 miles an hour, you would have it in neutral and then push the button. You can see the green light, and then you would push the gear in forward, and it'll automatically take you through all 6 gears. Now, it'll show up on the screen as auto right there. The light's on, so you know that you're in auto. On the right side of the steering wheel, where my finger's pointing, is the ride control switch. Pushing the button down all the way, I'm manually engaged in the ride control. Say I'm going down the road with a full bucket of dirt and the road is uneven and full of potholes, the hydraulic lift arms will act as a shock absorber, compensating for the uneven terrain, and we'll have less spillage by using this system. Now let's look at the display case. On the display, you'll see that the round wheel going over uneven ground. That means it's in manual. Now it's a 3-setting switch, so if I put it in neutral, it's disengaged. If I push the top, it's an auto. So when it's an auto, if I'm going faster than 6 miles an hour, the ride control will be activated. If I'm going less than 6 miles an hour, it'll disengage automatically. And let's look at the display, and it'll show on the display the wheel going on uneven terrain, and it'll show that you're in auto mode.